Hey guys, I wanted to take a minute to demonstrate to you guys how easy it is in order to look at your internet customers, all of the prospects, not just the ones in your name. The thing that we're consistently doing, and I completely understand that it's the easiest thing to do, is to look at your own customers that come into your name. So the benefit of being able to see everybody quickly is you can check leads quickly and get back to what you're doing, as well as see everybody that's coming in versus just the ones in your name. As you guys know, you're responsible for not just the ones in your name, but everybody that comes in to the team. So if somebody's not available, if they're with a customer, if they're off, and for whatever reason they have a customer come into their name, you will quickly be able to see that, take care of the customer, and make sure that all of their questions are answered, and hopefully, make sure that they can come in if they'd like. So on my screen here, you're going to see that you're going to be able to go into the prospects from my desk. So right up here, you're going to see the different ones. And a lot of times it defaults when you guys log in to Daily Work Plan or to Customer Search. So it's easy to get up here to the prospects, my desk, and then go to prospects. When you click on that, it's going to probably just default to what you have on your name right here. And so in order to check this consistently without having to do all of this and change each one of these every single time, is to go ahead and do a date range. And I like to do 2 or 3 days depending on what I'm looking at. Sometimes I do more if I'm looking for something specific. But under the business unit, obviously choose your business unit. So we're going to go ahead and just choose the Buick GMC Cadillac. The relationship type that you guys are is the BDC user, so make sure that's in there. And then choose the team members on your team. So for Buick, we're going to choose Stacy. We're going to get rid of some of these. Obviously, you guys won't have all of this in here. I have it set up this way so I can easily see all of the internet customers quickly. So we have Jennifer, and I know also we've just recently added another one here. So I'm going to go ahead and add that, or add her, and then close that out. Prospect type is internet. We're looking for internet customers specifically because, if it's a phone up, hopefully we're the ones putting it in. But if we want to add phone, we can put that in as well. And then as a category type, we're going to press sales. So in order to not have to do this every time you do come into the prospects, you're going to save it right here. And that will allow you to get out of this screen and come back to the screen. And all of this will be the same since you saved it. So we're going to search that. And these are the leads that have come in for the last 2 days. All right, we're going to see. So if I'm Stacy, I'm not only going to see the one in my name, but I'm going to know that Sierra did get this customer, and we want to make sure that, okay, did Sierra respond to this customer already? And it shows here that she did have some notes in here, so she's taken care of. But don't be deceived by the prospect contacted green circle here, because what happens is we assume that sometimes, and the customer's been responded to, but not in the way that we require, and we believe that the response time should be given off of. So we want to make sure that, did we send an email? Did we email the customer? And did we call the customer and things like that? So, not only are we checking to make sure that we have leads, but we're also holding each other accountable to make sure, hey, you forgot to send that customer a lead, or hey, you forgot to, or an email, or you forgot to call that customer back. So you can kind of help each other in that form. So make sure that when you guys have set up your prospects, make sure that you have your whole team in there, and just save it. Like I said, just save it here, and you'll be able to go back to it quickly.